Hi folks, today we're going to make some pickled vegetables, and I would like to have made giardiniera, but unfortunately I can't get celery, so I'm going to just pickle a bunch of different of the things. I can get cauliflower. These are pretty small heads of cauliflower, but it's cauliflower. And I get some green beans, some carrots. I'm going to put apples in it. I have some small onions that I'm going to put in. I'll peel those and then cut them maybe in quarters. And down there I got some red pepper. Here I've got peppercorns, some sea salt, and each one of these containers is 1 1/4 liters of filtered water. I might need more water, I think I will, but I'll start with that. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sea salt in each one of these. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of my sauerkraut in there because it's already got lactobacillus on it, or in it, so I'll get my new batch of stuff started by just putting a little bit of that in there with it. I might have forgotten to mention it, but I'm going to put that whole head of garlic in there too. Here we've got all the vegetables are peeled, cut up into the right size pieces. Now a lot of people like to make the pieces smaller, but I don't. I like them big. I like them bite sized. And here's the onion and the garlic, and so we're all ready to get started. So we've got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons plus a little. Mix this around. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of this sauerkraut down here on the bottom. And then put some of these peppercorns in here. I'm not going to use a lot of red pepper, but I'll put some to give it a little bit of a kick. And put about half of these onions and garlic in. And all of this stuff goes in, or put about half of it in, and then I'll just repeat it. I hope I don't have too much vegetables. This crock is already halfway full. Pour this in. See where this takes us. pretty sure I'm going to need more pickling brine than what I have. So we'll just repeat what we did before, more or less. This is a little too much. I think I can make it work though. Now I got to put the stones in. See, this is the problem. I can't get these stones in. Anyway, after learning a valuable lesson that you can't overfill it, we have to take some of the vegetables out. That's one. And number two is the stones should go in before the brine. The brine should be last. Anyway, it's all in there, and all that's left is to put the top on, fill the moat, and then let it sit probably for 5 days or a week before I look inside there. Here's what it looks like with the lid on and the moat filled. Anyway, I'll put some in the bowl here. Now, I wanted to make giardiniera before, but I couldn't get any celery, so I just made random pickled vegetables, and also apple. Let's see. That's good. That's very good. It's tangy, a little salty. So we have pickled vegetables. Let's try one of the onions. It's very good. The green beans. Anyway, it's very good, and I'm very happy with the